Good morning, Priceless family. It's day number 3 of our outdoor cleanup. Let's get it. Woo! Let's go. So it's around 6:43 a.m. in the morning, and Mom and I are up early trying to get this grass cut. So that person zipping back in the background, that would be Mom on acre number 1. And me, I'm pushing on acre number 2. So, what projects are you doing on the outside of your home? Because I know someone else besides me has to be working, laboring outdoors. Say it ain't so. Say it ain't so. Storms have come, hurricanes, limbs are down, leaves are everywhere. But I'm determined to get this yard back in order. So if you're new here, welcome and thanks so much for stopping by for today's video. My name is Katrina. I am a sister, a daughter, a pastor, servant, and friend. And on my channel, I share my love of home decor, cooking, baking, vlogs, and shopping hauls. And sometimes I'm outside raking a gazillion leaves. If these are things that interest you, I say don't be a stranger. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life. I would love to have you join my growing YouTube family. So all of the leaves have been removed from my deck, and I'm super tired right now. I have smoke everywhere. I'm just a raking and a cleaning. And did I mention I'm also burning a tree at the same time? I'm real busy here on the Johnson Ranch. So let me pause to give a round of applause for the two hardest working equipment on the Johnson Ranch today. That would be Craftsman 1 and 2, the push and the riding lawnmowers. So I would like to thank my little handyman Monty for stopping by. And of course, I wasn't willing to pull up these deck boards, but he was. So thank you so much for pulling them up and seeing what we can do if there is anything I can do to salvage my deck. So make sure to join me on the next episode of Loving Outdoor Living, where we're getting closer to our goal of preparing this ranch for the summer season. So until next time, you know what I say. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video.